How to use the round function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explained video series, I'm going to explain the round function. I'm going to talk about the parameters and how you can use it. Let's get started. The best way to learn a function is to apply it, and here in this tutorial we are going to apply the round function here and we'll learn how you can use it. And in the meantime you will understand what are the parameters and how you can use them. So I'm going to write here equal to round, and here we have our round function. It says rounds a number to a specified number of digits. Okay, now we already have two videos on round up and round down, and this one does both up and down depending on the decimal points. Okay, so I'm going to double click here. The first parameter is the number. I am going to select this number, and the second parameter is the number of digits. Here we have 3 digits after the decimal point, and I want to round it to 2 decimal. That's why I am writing here 2 in the number of digits. Okay, close parentheses. If I press enter, you can see it has rounded up and gave us a number. Now if I drag it, you can see this one we have removed the last digit and then it has rounded this second digit up. Okay, so 13.555 became 13.56. Okay, if I drag it again, you can see 13.59 stays the same because we had selected 2 digits. Okay, and here we are going to use the round function differently. I'm going to write here equal to and then round, double click here, and now I'm going to select the number, and in the number of digit I'm going to write here 0. Okay, now I don't want any digit after the decimal point and I want to round it up or down depending on the number we have after decimal point. So 13.59 should be 14. If I press enter, we have 14, and 13.49 should be 13. So if I drag this, you can see 13.49 became 13 and minus 13.49 became 13. Okay, so it can round up or down depending on the digit and depending on the decimal point, and if it's above the 50% it will go up, if it's below 50% it will go down. Okay, there is another option for rounding. You can also round before the decimal point. Okay, so if I write here equal to round, double click here, select the cell where we have number and number of digit. I'm going to write here minus because we want to round up or down the full number, the integer number, not after the decimal point but before it. Okay, that's why I have given minus, and here I have 5 digits, so I'm going to round it up with 4 digits. And if I close parentheses and press enter, now here as we have written 4 digits, you can see we have 1 2 3 4 0. So we have covered 5 digits and it has 1 2 3 3 4. That means 12,334, which is below 15,000. That's why it has rounded down to 10,000. If I remove this and add 3, okay, we are rounding 3 digits now. If I press enter, and you can see it has removed 334 from this because it's below 500 and it has rounded it down to 12,000. Okay, now if I drag this, you can see all this are same because these are below 12,500 and it has rounded down to 12,000. Okay, now let's remove this and we add 2 digits. Okay, and press enter, and you can see it's the last 2 digits that it is rounding up or down. Okay, 12,334 become 12,300, and if I drag it down, and you can see 12,351 became 12,400. Okay, 12,346 became 12,300. So this is how you can use the round function. If you are writing here the second parameter number of digit in positive number, it will work after the decimal point, and if you add it negative number, it will work before the decimal point, and the number of digits should be specified by you. Okay, so here we have specified 2 digits and it is looking for integer and then rounding up or down depending on the number. So this is how you can use the round function in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.